how do I set up remarketing campaigns on Amazon? By remarketing campaigns, we're referring to people who already saw your ads and you're trying to remarket them. Now, really important, especially for the past 6 months or so, there is an option you could use for remarketing. It's called AMC, so Amazon Marketing Cloud. And basically with that option, what you can do, you can target Amazon specific audiences. The sponsored display campaigns through which you can target everyone who purchased already from you. Why am I saying that you should be checking out AMC, or you should prioritize first? Amazon created specific templates that you can use right away. So do check out AMC, that's how it's called. Amazon has their own audiences. You can target and remarket people if they already had at least one order and clicked within your listing, or if they already shown interest within your products for a certain time. And again, they already interacted with your ads. And that is something I advise you to focus on right now. Instead of sponsored display, yes, on sponsored display, AMC is something that works really well for 99% of the brands that we manage.